How to awaken magma in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly awaken magma in your Blox Fruit. We'll dive deep into the realm of highly coveted magma fruit, so join us as we explore the intricate process of awakening the magma fruit. Strap in because by the end of this video, you will be pro at unleashing the full potential of this fiery fruit. So ready to harness the power of the magma fruit? Let's begin our journey to unlock these secrets. From reaching level 1100 to navigating the hot and cold island lab, we'll cover everything from the code input to its unique moves. Defeating NPCs across various islands is crucial to enhance each move's power. Witness the might of awakened moves like Magma Shower, Volcanic Rate, Magma Hound, and the newly awakened Magma Flight. Learn how to strategically wield these powers in battles. There you have it, a complete guide to mastering the Magma Fruit, awakening in Blox Fruit. I trust that this tutorial aids you in your quest to become a Blox Fruit legend. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, gameplay tips, and exclusive Blox Fruits content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which fruit you'd like us to explore next or any other Blox Fruit topics you're keen on. Until next time, happy gaming. May your Blox Fruits adventure be filled with fire and excitement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.